How to add emotion in ElevenLabs. And if you want to add emotion, then first open up your ElevenLabs account. So search for ElevenLabs on your browser and open up that and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you can simply enter the text and then click on generate speech, and here you will have your speech on the bottom right. So you need to simply go for voice settings, and under your voice settings here you will have these options. So to adjust or to add emotion in your ElevenLabs, you can simply adjust the stability and the similarity. You can also style the exaggeration. So simply set this wherever you like or whichever percent is comfortable to you, and then you can click on generate speech and you will have the new speech. Or if you don't like that voice, then you can simply adjust it again, and then you can add some emotions or something like that. So from here you can do all of the settings, and once you're comfortable with that, you can simply click on generate speech and you can add your emotions. So that's how you can add emotions to your ElevenLabs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.